Hey, what's up guys? It's Flexx. So today I want to talk about aero parts for my 2014 Audi R8 Spyder. So if you guys been following this build, I've already installed a front lip, side skirt extensions, diffuser, wing, and even carbon canards. But there's one thing that's been ticking me off because I can't find it, are rear bumper extensions or rear spats. I know, first world problems. I was easily able to get one for my C300 and for my Audi A4. But for some dang reason, there's nothing for this car. And I've been searching for 4 years until last week.
So here they are. These are the two rear spats that I got from some website in the UK. They're actually pretty affordable and really nice. It's a nice gloss black finish. Matches well with my side skirt extensions and my front lip. And construction is made of a really strong fiberglass, as you can see here. And you can see up top, it has some nice pre-drilled mounting holes to mount them to the car. One thing I'm not a big fan of is if you look over here, there's like a decal that's recessed inside. I'll probably pull that off one day and fill it and respray this a nice gloss black. But for now, I'm just going to install it as is. It comes with all the mounting nuts and bolts, but I'm not going to use that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to line the part that mates to the car with some super strong double-sided tape. And then for the holes to mount it to the car, I'm going to use self-tapping screws. These right here that I've used a while now. I've used them for my side skirt extension and my front lip. They're really nice. They're coated so they won't rust. They have a rubber gasket so it reduces vibration between the part and the car. And they're easy to install. However, before I put these on, I want to pinstripe the edges with my blue vinyl. So that way this edge here and this edge here will match with the rest of the ground effects. So yeah, let's get these pinstriped and let's get them on the car. To prep the car, I'm going to use some isopropyl alcohol and just thoroughly clean the area where I'm going to mount the spats to. Next, I'm going to remove the red protective film, line it up with the car, and just push it into place. And I want to hold it nice and firm for a few minutes. Now I'm going to grab the self-tapping screws and we're going to use my favorite tool. I love this tool because it makes things so much easier. I can easily get under the car without having to jack it up. So here's what it looks like after both sides are complete. Look at that. I think that looks really cool. It really extends the sides of my existing diffuser and almost makes it look like one piece. You still see a little gap, but I'm fine with that. Yes, it's gloss black and carbon, but I'm going to probably wrap them in carbon in the future once I get rid of that little decal. Yeah, this is pretty aggressive and it really flows nicely. I think it really completes the overall look of my car from the front lip, side skirt extensions, and now the rear spats and the diffuser.